everybody. Come back to an experiment about the water cycle. So what you're going to need is a large transparent bowl, a small transparent bowl, hot water, ice cubes, and saran wrap. So first what I'm going to do is pour the hot water into this bowl. And then put the smaller bowl in the center. And then we take some saran wrap and don't put too much saran wrap, just enough to cover the top of the bowl. So, see what I'm doing? Just like that. Now we take a couple of ice cubes, then put it on top of the saran wrap. So now what we're going to do is wait 10 minutes and then you'll see exactly what happens. So we're still waiting, and as you can see, here, let me get a closer. You see these water droplets? That's called condensation. So condensation is like imagine if after you cook some noodle and you pour water into the house thing between the noodle and it touches the glass window. That's essentially condensation. It's basically gas that turns into a liquid. So yeah, that's exactly what condensation is all about. And that's where we're up here. It's basically our clouds. So as you can see, it's fogging up. I know it's hard to see, but yeah, it's fogging up. So yeah, we're gonna wait about 5 more minutes and then we'll come back to it. Okay, everybody, it's been 10 minutes, so let's take those carefully remove the ice cubes, and we will see the results. Well, I'll take see the clouds. And then we got a little bit of water dripped in here. Now that is actually an example of precipitation like rain, snow, sleet, or hail. So yeah, that's exactly what happens in the water cycle. The water evaporates, go up in the clouds, and then the clouds get dark, and then falls down as rain, and the whole thing happens again and again and again. Now, yeah, without the water cycle, we probably wouldn't have any water, and that would not be good. So, yeah, I really hope you guys really enjoyed the experiment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and as always, peace out.